Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to stream on Twitch from your PC. The first thing you will need to do is go to the description to download the free application OBS Studio. If you're using a different application such as Streamlabs OBS, this tutorial will work as they are very similar. However, I strongly recommend using OBS Studio as many top Twitch streamers use it. While that is downloading, go to speedtest.net to check your internet speeds. That link is also in the description. Click Go and make sure you have an upload speed of 8 megabytes per second or higher. If you have anything lower, you may run into issues while streaming. You may need to test and see how it works for you. Once OBS Studio is done downloading, open it up. It should look very similar to mine. You might have a tutorial or some pop-ups. If you do, go through them, but I will be covering everything in this video. This black box here is your scene. You can add sources to your scene. The first source we will add is our display capture. Go to the plus sign, select Display Capture, create new and rename it if you want. Hit OK, and your screen should pop up. If you have more than one monitor, you can select which one to display. Hit OK, and you have your gameplay scene. It captures whatever is on your screen. Next, we need to add your microphone. Go to the plus sign and select Audio Input Capture. You can name this microphone. Hit OK and select your microphone from the drop-down menu. Once you do this, hit OK. It will capture your audio from your microphone. It doesn't matter if you have a standalone mic or a headset mic. You can also drag the slider to decrease or increase the volume. Now, we need to add your PC audio. Go over to Settings, Audio, and where it says Mic Auxiliary Audio, choose the audio source that you are familiar with. This will be different for everyone, so choose the source that captures your browser, music, and any games you play. Once done, hit Apply. There will be another audio fader and slider, but it will not move unless you have audio playing through your PC, like a YouTube video or a game. If you have a webcam to add, click the plus sign, go to Video Capture Device, hit OK, and select your webcam from the drop-down menu. You can also change the FPS and video format. I'm not adding my webcam because it's already set up. Other basic things you can do include adding an image or media source by going to the plus sign. Media sources are videos. You can also create a new scene by going to the plus sign under Scene, clicking OK, and adding a Starting Soon screen, a full facecam scene, or other setups. Now, the most important part is connecting your Twitch account to OBS Studio. Go to Settings, Stream, and make sure you're streaming on Twitch. Connect your account using your login and password. Next, go to your output settings. This changes the quality of your stream. Set the video bitrate to 6,000 kilobytes per second, which is equal to 6 megabytes of upload speed. If your upload speed is under 8 megabytes, do not exceed that in your settings. The encoder should always be NVENC or AMD, which are your graphics cards. Do not use X264, which is your CPU. Now, go to the video settings. The base canvas resolution should match your monitor's resolution, typically 1920x1080. The output resolution should be 1280x720. If your PC and internet are really good, you can increase this to 1600x900, but do not go to 1920x1080 unless you are a Twitch partner. The downscale filter should be Lanczos, and the FPS should be set to 60. If your stream buffers or lags, change this to 30. Hit Apply and OK. Now you are ready to start streaming. Press the Start Stream button. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to comment below. If you enjoyed this video, look out for more tutorials. Have a great day.